Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create customer loyalty with Sephora step by step clearly. To create customer loyalty with Sephora, start by understanding your customer base. Analyze the demographics of your existing customers. Identify their preferences and buying habits. Use data from past purchases to tailor experiences. Next, implement a rewards program that offers real value. Consider tiered benefits that encourage increased spending. Offer exclusive promotions to loyal customers. Ensure your program is easy to understand and access. Create personalized shopping experiences both online and in-store. Utilize technology to send personalized product recommendations. Train employees to provide excellent customer service. Empower them with product knowledge and communication skills. Engage customers with beauty classes and workshops. Host events that encourage community and connection. Utilize social media to interact with customers regularly. Encourage feedback and make improvements based on customer input. Maintain consistent communication through email and notifications. Send out exclusive previews of new products. Finally, measure the effectiveness of your strategies. Review customer feedback and loyalty program participation. Continuously adjust your tactics based on performance metrics. By following these steps, you can foster strong customer loyalty with Sephora. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.